Careful, watch your nose.
What's the story? How is this long shit going?
No idea.
I think like this.
Crazy stuff. Čau, labrīt visiem. Tātad 6. augusts, 23. gads. Peteriks Riks ieradies. Šoreiz Atlonā. Atlonā? Atejā. Tātad brauksim 10 kilometrus pa šo skaisto Bārovu upi no kaut kādām vindmilām. Zemē pa straumi uz Karlovu. Šodien mūsu kompānijai ir pievienojies Marko.
Hi.
Marita, kur ir jau ūdeni?
Es esmu pirmā ūdenī.
Ivans, Argentina reprezentatīvu. How are you?
We are
boss?
ready.
Are you
Ready for the
ready,
adventure.
Zane jau ir ielekusi ūdenī. Nu ko, šaus var sākties. Šogad man ir tāds draudziņš paņemts līdzi. Ja nu gadījumā sanāk pakļūt zem ūdens vai laiva tiek pārdurta, tad drošības variants ir gatavs. Marko iegādājies elektromotoru, bet par to nedaudz vēlāk. Pirmie metri jau iet uz priekšu. Upe mūs lutina. Ir diezgan augsts līmenis. Pašiem faktiski nav jāierējas. Viss notiek. Brigāde jau uz priekšu ir aizskrējusi.
Ready, want to jump?
Vai kādu man baigi piesiet šņori klāt tā, lai es, ja gadījumā, ja krīt ārā, lai laiva neaiziet.
A few moments later.
Pa tukšiem ēderiem nav nekāda braucēja. We need help here! We are too slow! Hola, senor!
Hey.
How are you, lads?
Ciao, labrīt.
You taking Ernest?
I'm going down to the river.
Antonio piesien Ernest laivu klāt savai laivai. Tad tā braukšana būs daudz ērtāk. Jā, straumi ir diezgan stipri. Tiešām pašiem airēt nevajag. Kā jūs redziet, upe pati veic savu darbību.
Arrivederci. Ciao, signore. La vita è bella.
Bella, čau, čau, čau. Hey, wait for me and for this unicorn. Pirmais pārbaudījums tojas. Ātriem soļiem. Izskatās, ka tur būs straumīt. Oh, Survivor team.
We're coming.
Baywatch, careful, watch the side. Don't throw him. Don't throw him in the problems. And that's where the journey stopped. I told you it will be dangerous. Viena nepareiza svārstība. Un es nokritu.
Like in the Filipinos, you know? On the small wooden boat.
Me gusta la canela, me gustas tú, me gusta.
Gan jau šī upa ar mums kaut ko vēl pārsteigs. Čau, Marita.
Čau.
Beidzot piedzinām tevi.
Beidzot, vai ne?
Nu, kā?
Es
Kā
labu.
peldās?
Ak, Dievs. Es arī varētu katru svētdienu.
Ar katru svētdienu, ja? Slapjumīgs uz kameras.
Beidzās, tad mēs to izdomājam.
Ova. Paskaties, kāda baigās upu komanda, ne?
Bet super, īsti.
Paiet garām tā kā lielās man.
Skaista upe šitā.
Ir skaisti, jā.
Tāds pilnīgi krēsls vēlams.
Miers. Tur krūmos. Svans. Gulbītis slēpjas. Tur esot tāp divi iekšā kaut kur. Vai redziet? Paslēpās no mums.
1 hour later.
Look how these boys relaxing here. What you have there? Jacuzzi, sauna? 5-star hotel there, lads. I'm bored. What's happening
talking
here?
about
Show me. You have some alcohol, something to drink, no?
Yeah.
Oh, electric engine, yeah?
Bateria.
Battery, everything under control, yeah?
Lithium.
Only if we
This
Lithium.
is the future of our European continent. We will bring lithium from Africa and we will drive only the battery bullshit, you know? That's the story now.
mini fridge next time.
Oh, mini fridge, what else? What else we can get inside
barbecue.
here? Barbecue, that's
Inside barbecue.
grand idea to make some barbecue.
Marco's face.
But this one, Tommy coming with me. Oh, Ernest taking some control finally. Un šis ir tas brīdis, ka man brālis paiet garām un es esmu palicis pēdējais. Re. Šeit upe sadalās divās daļās. Tepat makšķernieki vietēji. Ziltiņas topē. Cerams, ka nepārdurs man laiva. Čau, Marit.
Čau, sanāc.
Veseli ēduši.
Paldies. Aptīt uz ūdens ir laba.
Var kaut ko piedāvāt?
Jā, jums ir sagatavots trauciņš.
Paldies liels. Tā, kas te mums te ir izdzīvošanas starteri pakā iekšā? Maizīte, salāmi desiņa, sieriņš, vēl vien kaut kāda čorīzotāja, ne?
Jā.
Kur tā puiši atpaliek?
Nu, viņi nav ēduši, viņiem nav spēku.
Zanīt arī jau pa priekšu aizskrēja.
Zanīti otrā pusē telefonu.
Ja, kur Džonijs sabrauc līdzi. Tagad cietumnieks, ne? Re. Ūdens rozes. Tikai pašas rozes nav.
I'm going down to the river
Re. Granāts.
to wash my soul.
Granātā! Soon your battery will be over, no?
Fuck off, will you?
Passengers is changed now. He took the single one. Single boat experience. You changed the boat to Condor 2000. How is the feelings now?
Now I'm feeling a little bit more the adventure. I was training for this for years in the colder Patagonia,
And
the legs of Chubut.
what is your opinion about Condor 2000?
Condor 2000. I think it will be a little bit more easy if at least it was fully pumped.
We need found some stop and pump it a little bit the boat. Mēs tuvojamies krācēm, varam pēc skaņas dzirdēt. Kaut kas rūc. Do you have some update?
There is strong currency down there. You should be careful when approaching to hold on to the left hand side.
Kā jūs redzat, šeit ūdens krāts ir un mums ir jāpiet viņai apkārt, jo ir pārāk liela bīstamība, ka mēs varam pazaudēt šeit dzīvību. Tāpēc tagad notiek tas, kas notiek. Jau pēdējās minūtes iet pārējais darbos. Šeit tiek nests akumulators.
Citi nāk ar plūmēm.
Cita plūmēm, kaut kur plūmīts ir dabūjuši, ja? Jūs tur tik prātīgi tām plūmītēm. Un te, kas tam mums te notiek? Tiek nesta laiva. Iešu palīdzēšu vīriem.
Dobry dzień.
You was want to go in this, isn't it? Is this
Yeah.
waterfall? Marco, I will grab one corner. Oh! My legs, I don't have a...
Can you
Tops
manage,
like-
amigo?
Yes, sir.
This man is Terminator from Argentina, I swear.
Crazy man. We need him on the next expedition also.
Gusta la Mariana, me gustas tu. Let's go. Oh, look. Honestly, he's Argentinian military.
Show me the muscles.
We can drop it from here.
Kad bijām pārnesuši laivas pāri slūžām, izdomājām paēst un nedaudz atpūsties. Atpūtušies viens pēc otra, likām laivas ūdenī un devāmies tālāk ceļā.
Be careful, there are a lot of...
Esam atgriezušies atpakaļ straumē. Gaisā jūtam fermas smaržu. Tepat ferma ir aiz muguras. Sievietes kā vienmēr. Taisnā līnijā uz priekšu. Subscribe Peteriks Riks YouTube channel. Ka-čing! Dan dan daradan. Dan dan daradan dan daradan dan daradan. And there's some rich one living, some rich farmers. There is some tractor, some private boats he have there.
Yeah.
Oh, John.
His name is John?
I don't know what name you're giving him.
Flurry.
Fury?
Flurry.
Flurry?
Flurry.
Flurry. Oh yeah, we should. Oh, I almost lose it.
Oh, imagine Marco.
We should get this, no? Ernest should take one of it. See you on the other side. Don't break my Condor 2000, for God's sake.
Aye. Something bit me.
Condor 2000.
Šajā brīdī upe atkal sadalās divās daļās, un Ivans ir
Ivan, if you're
nolēmis
getting in trouble, if you're getting in trouble, forget about Condor. Save your life.
Goodbye, people! Goodbye, lads!
Esam nonākuši pie otram slūžam. Atkal jātiek jānes pāri visas laivas. Ak, šī grūtā dzīve. Par ko mums šāds krusts? So, how was it?
Awesome.
Crazy.
Easy.
Crazy, man.
Easy.
We was a little bit afraid of you.
In one moment I say, okay, I'm not looking at them anymore. I start yelling, Marco, Teris! And nobody answers. I say, okay. I know there is no water pass in the island, so it's okay.
Crazy stuff. Third part, I jump in Marco's boat. I wanna enjoy this journey
Lazy bastard.
with the lazy experience as well. Mr. Ivan after waterfall still alive.
Yeah, we
Still
did
alive?
good.
Ivan and Condor
I
2000.
find my people again.
She's flying.
Ivan, you keeping good there, yeah? Welcome to County Carlow. Nice hill. What that lady doing there? Corner.
She probably needs to be. And we're just passing now.
Hi. Oh.
Pipe bridge.
Pipe bridge. Just literally pipe. Now we're passing some graveyard.
Sometimes you're not lazy, that's good. ¿Qué pasa, hombre?
Momento de surfear.
Oh, good, Ernest.
Look at the Scottish fella. How are you keeping? All good? How are the Celtics Rangers this year, alright? Carlo.
Carlow, yeah. That's the Carlow, baby. City of opportunities. I think we get last sunny day in the summer. Marco, some refreshments. Yum, yum, yum. You still have some water there, yeah?
It's like cartoons. My
Crazy
ass is
Condor.
cold.
Crazy Condor. What a city, what a day, what a day, what a city. Looks like that's the end of the journey. lieliski, diena izdevusies. Lovely day. And the swans. Perfect.
Oh, it's nice. That's the city center, isn't it?
Looks like, yeah. Hi, lads.
Pie paša finiša satikām puikas, kuriem motors bija nojūdzies, un viņi lūdza palīdzību aizvilkt viņus uz otru
That's the long one, isn't it? The long boat. Oh, rescue operation continuing. That's it, lads. Looks like boat trip 2023. It's done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Keep following. Press like for the videos. Thank you. End of the shift.